Ladies and gentlemen, this is Dan McKive here at Buzz News Station. I have some news that has been buzzing all over the USA for quite a while now, and I'm happy to say that Buzz News Station is the first one to cover this unique topic. I know my buddy here, John, will tell you a little more about this topic.
Thanks, Dan. The struggle has been real for these little creatures for quite a while. And I will send you over to Lainey Honey to tell you about how you can help with this bee issue.
Thanks, Dan and John. If you didn't catch what John said before, I am Lainey Honey. Tonight I'm here to tell you why we need to help these bees. Did you know that bees are becoming extinct? Well, if you didn't, you will learn tonight. Bees have been in trouble for almost 2 years now, and yet they are just now being reported about. Now over to my dear friend Cameron, who has also been studying this topic.
Hi, Cameron Buzzett here, and I'm going to be talking to you about bees and how they are becoming extinct. First of all, it is great that people are moving and building new homes, but when they do, are they aware of the bees? The fields that the flowers grow on that bees pollinate from are disappearing. And as for the people who are moving, plant flowers anywhere you can, and that's for the people who didn't move as well. Thanks for listening. Please encourage others who haven't watched this video to plant flowers too. Back to you, Dan and John.
Well, that was interesting. Thank you, Cameron. We now know some interesting ways to help these bees. Lainey, I know you have some more ways to help them. Would you please share?
Yes, I would, Dan. Here are some flowers that bees are attracted to in Iowa. The coneflower, lavender, showy goldenrod, sunflower, and wild bergamot. These flowers are all perennials. If you don't live in Iowa, you can just choose some native flowers. Now back to the station.
Thank you, Lainey. Dan and I have some tips and suggestions to tell you. Dan, go ahead.
Thank you, John. The first tip is don't use pesticides. You're killing off the beneficial bugs along with the pest.
Use local native plants. Research suggests native plants are 4 times more attractive to native bees than exotic flowers. They are also usually well adapted to your growing conditions and can thrive with minimum attention. In gardens, native varieties of urban perennials can also provide good food for the bees.
Bees have good color vision to help them find flowers. Flower colors that particularly attract bees are blue, purple, violet, white, and yellow.
Plant flowers in clumps.
Have a selection of flowers of different shapes and colors.
Finally, plant where bees will visit. Bees favor sunny spots over shade and need some shelter from strong winds. These are some tips that can help save the bee population. Dan would like to hand this over to the reporters.
Of course, John. Now over to Cameron.
Cameron Buzzett here, and I'm out here with these 5 kids from Kingsley Pearson who wanted to make a difference. They're going to be telling us a little more about this bee project. Grant, could you tell us a little more about this bee issue?
Hi, I'm Grant. We started this project a while ago because we heard the bees were becoming extinct.
Hi, I'm Harrison. So our plan for the bees is to sell bags of varieties of flowers for people to plant outside in their gardens or anywhere. We hope that the bees won't leave their hives from not having enough food for pollen and honey.
Harrison, Jackson, Vincent, Malachi, and I have been working on this for quite a while. So I will hand it over to Jackson and Vincent.
Hi, my name is Vincent. Jackson and I will be telling you how the bees becoming existent will affect our lives.
One of the effects is that without bees, the crops and plants won't be pollinated, and since Iowa is an agriculture state, it would affect us greatly.
Plus, we would lose a bunch of fruits and other foods, such as apples, mangoes, kiwi, plums, strawberries, grapes, tomatoes, and even coffee.
The second problem is that without bees, we don't have honey, and honey is a natural remedy. We're giving them out during the spring and summer.
Thanks, boys. I think we have a pretty good idea of what we can do to help the bees. Back to you, Dan and John.
Now, a special thanks from the kids at Kingsley Pearson, our 2 amazing reporters, Lainey and Cameron. Our manager, Mrs. Powell, and our viewers like you, thank you. This is Buzz News signing out.